English speaking course. At the museum. What do you want to do this weekend?
I haven't made any plans yet. I may stay home for the entire weekend as usual.
It's a pity. We should spend the time enjoying ourselves.
Do you have any plans yet?
I want to go to the museum this weekend.
Are there any interesting things there?
Of course, yes. Do you want to join me?
That's great. It is better than staying the whole day at home.
Cool. I was afraid to go alone.
Which museum will we go to this weekend?
It's the Royal Museum downtown.
I've never visited a museum.
Really? Today I will help you discover them.
Amazing. Should we drive?
There are some parking lots there, but I don't know how the car park works. We better take the bus.
So we will meet at school and then take a bus.
Deal. What time is convenient for you?
Any time is okay. What time does the museum open?
At 8 a.m.?
Okay, we can start at 8. What should we bring with us?
Actually, there is a canteen there, so we don't need to bring many things.
Ah, I see. Is there any notice when we visit the museum?
They're not serious. We cannot touch the artwork or use flash when taking photos.
Okay, that's easy.
And don't run through the halls.
I would never do that.
Okay, see you then.
See ya. We've arrived.
Enter the museum here.
Do we need to buy tickets?
Yes, the ticket price is noted on the information board over there.
Oh, they also have details about promotions, brochures, and pamphlets.
You can get a pamphlet. It helps a lot.
Okay, I will get one. Hi, I want to buy tickets for the 2 of us.
Okay, here you are. It will cost $22.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Hey, it looks amazing.
Stop and enjoy the view.
I've never seen such a beautiful view in the city.
It is said that today has a large dinosaur exhibition.
Check it out. It is in the center of the gallery.
Giant dinosaur bones. Wow.
Incredible.
Here they collect many.
I see. I will go around and take a look at them.
Okay.
Who collected them?
Archivists. They take responsibility for the collections of the museum.
Ah, I see.
Ben, where is the washroom?
I think it is on the first floor.
Okay.
There is a sign next to the canteen. Or you can ask a security officer. He can help.
Sure. Thank you.
Excuse me. Yes, how can I help you? What are you doing? We can't touch them, can we? I'm a conservator. I am preparing to preserve a new historical item. Oh, that's great. How long have you been working here? I can't remember, perhaps 10 years. Wow. But how can we know if they're all authentic or fake? We have curators. They can check them. That's so genius. Would you like to drink a cup of coffee?
Yeah, I would like to have a latte, please.
Okay, I will go to the canteen and buy something.
Thanks.
Are you hungry? Do you want anything else?
No, just a latte. Thank you, Ben.
Sure. Wait for me here. I will come back soon.
I will wait for you at this balcony. Then we can see the beautiful view and drink coffee.
Sounds amazing.
Hey, your bus is coming.
I will go on the same bus with you.
But isn't it the opposite way?
No, I just need to take 2 buses. It's okay. I will go with you.
Okay.
I'm so happy because you asked me to go with you today.
You're welcome.
This is my first time visiting a museum and it is memorable.
Yeah, the Royal Museum is interesting.
How often do you go to museums?
I don't know. I always go to the museum when they have a new exhibition.
Next time, I still want to go with you.
Cool. I will ask you next time.
Do you know who I met when you were at the dinosaur exhibition gallery?
Who? A famous artist?
No, a curator of the museum.
And then?
He was preparing to present a new historical item. I guess next month they will have a new exhibition.
So we will go again then. You should get off the bus at this station. If not, you cannot take another bus to go home.
I just don't want to leave.
You really should go, Ben.
Okay. Then go home safely, kid.
Okay. Quickly, the door is going to close.
Oh my gosh. Help me. Help me. The bus is moving. I'm going to die. Please stop. Get out, boy. You are annoying.
Don't forget to practice your English every day to improve your English level. Watch the video for 1 week. Try to think and speak in English every time. Listen and repeat the lesson out loud to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like, share, and comment. Click here for more useful videos.